Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel One from 2019, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, then tap on reset options and choose erase all data factory reset. As you can see, it gives you a message that performing this will remove basically all the data from your phone, that including music, photos, user data, downloaded apps and things like that. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you already have done it or you don't want to, tap on reset phone. If you have some kind of pattern, PIN, password, you will need to confirm it. Then erase everything, and the process will begin. Now this will take about 5 minutes, and once it's finished, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.